This is my SSC CGL 2018 descriptive copy in which I got 70 marks out of 100. You can see here 34 in essay out of 50 and 36 out of 50 in letter writing. Okay, total 34 plus 36 is equal to 70 marks out of 100. Okay, my medium was English. Okay, let's see. This copy is brought by me through RTI Act 2005. Okay, let's see. The topic was importance of education in present time. This is descriptive copy of Tier 3 SSC CGL 2018. Okay, let's see what I have written at that time. Importance of education in present time. Okay, first of all, I have used a quote in the starting of the essay. Education is the most important, most powerful weapon which one can use to change the world, said by Nelson Mandela. Okay, then in today's world, there is no value of an illiterate person. Education is the primary thing that everyone possesses to live a happy life in today's busy world. Education can be of various types like school education, manners and etiquette, science, social science, finance related and many more. In last 20 years, the scenario of India has completely changed due to the globalization and easy access to internet. Most of the Indians' grandparents are not well educated, that's why they don't know even how to withdraw money from ATM. Okay, do you know the full form of ATM? It is auto teller machine. Okay, today's youth resort to Flipkart, Snapdeal, Myntra, Amazon, etc. for their shopping, and they make online payment confidently. Youth are well educated nowadays. They use their education to accomplish various daily chores like food ordering from Zomato and Swiggy, booking a ride through Ola and Uber, etc. We hardly witness any illiterate person using Google Map to navigate his destination. They usually ask from people on roadside. Education teaches us how to talk with others, how to eat, how to treat people, etc. As 8th September celebrated as Literacy Day to improve the literacy rate, Government of India also inserted Article 21A through 86th Amendment to Constitution of India, which ensures the right to education for children aged between 6 to 14 years. Midday meal scheme and Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan have achieved their target at great extent, but still there is a need to improve India's literacy rate because education is the fourth most important component of today's life after food, clothes and shelter. Okay, and examiner has awarded me 34 marks out of 50. Okay, let's see what I have written in my letter writing. Okay, you can see here the topic for letter writing. You are Sunita/Sunil, resident of Gandhi Road, Dwarka, New Delhi 110083. Write a letter to the manager GD restaurant complaining about their poor service and the quality of food. Okay, you can see here there is no any city mentioned where the GD restaurant lies. Okay, so many of the students have inserted New Delhi, Delhi, Mumbai or whatever they think about the destination of that GD restaurant. Okay, but still you have to write no any other address or imaginary name in place. Okay, like city name, your name, okay, sender name, receiver name. You have not to write anything extra from the given thing. Okay, Gandhi Road, Dwarka, New Delhi 110083, 29 December 2019. Okay, this is the date of that Tier 3 exam of SSC CGL 2018. The manager GD restaurant, Delhi. Okay, subject, you have to avoid it if the city name of that restaurant is not mentioned. Okay, subject, complaint about poor services and bad quality of food regarding. Sir, it pains me to write a complaint about the poor service to your catering staff and bad quality of food served to my family and relatives. I had planned to take my family with my relatives who arrived here from London to your GD restaurant for dinner, but all fun went waste when they made me wait for 1 hour for Italian food and pizzas. The pizzas were stale. On complaining for the same, your waiter misbehaved with me in front of my relatives. There was no any tissue paper too. Okay, this all made me frustrated. Okay, even they charged me for using washroom. I hope you will take strict actions against erring staff, hoping a positive and prompt redressal of my grievances. Your faithfully, Sunil. Okay, they awarded me 36 marks. Okay, you can see that whole paper sheet was comprised of 12 pages. Okay, and at last the conclusion of this exam is 70 marks out of 100. Okay.